In this video, we'll show you how to create a custom list view. As you may know, when you click on an object, you have the option to see a list of records in List View. The two default list view options are All and Recently Viewed. However, there may be times when you will want to create custom list views based on filter criteria. To create a custom list view, make sure you've selected the appropriate object. In this example, we'll be creating a list view for the contracts object. More specifically, let's create one that shows us contracts that I own that are equal to or greater than $50,000. Click the gear icon, also known as the list view controls. Click New. Enter a name for the list. By default, you'll be the only one who can see the list view that you create. Now, click Save. By default, the first filter listed will be of the records that you own. To change this, click Filter by Owner and choose the All option. Then click Done. To add additional filters, click Add Filters. Establish the filter criteria. In this example, let's change the field to contract amount. Now, let's change the equals to greater or equal. Now let's add a value of 50,000. Finally, we'll click Done to add this filter to the list of filters. After you've added all of your filters, click Save. The list view will be created and your newly created list view will be selected. A filtered list of records will appear. By default, you will only see one column of information. In this example, contract number is the only column that shows up. To add more columns, click the gear icon and click Select Fields to display. Choose the fields that you'd like to show up in your list view. In this example, let's choose contract amount and contract execution date. Now, we'll click the right arrow to add these fields to the Visible Fields section. Finally, we'll click Save. These fields will now be saved as part of the custom list view. That wraps up how to create a custom list view in Salesforce.